Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I have the Vena 48 watt 2-port GaN fast charger. You have your USB-C on top and USB-A on the bottom. You get 18 watts out of here and 30 watts out of here. It can handle 100 to, and it says 240 volts on the back. Right there, some additional details of how this works. And this is from Vena. They make iPhone cases and GaN fast chargers. So you can see the flip out prongs right there. You can easily charge an iPhone 14 Pro Max at full speed and other accessories that use the older USB-A port. This fits in the palm of your hand, easy to fit in a bag for travel, and you've got 2 ports, so you can charge 2 at the same time, up to 48 watts. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate your positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.